If you don't know how to deploy a repo from GitHub to Vercel, I will show you everything. It will take just 1 minute. After creating an account on Vercel and confirming your email address, which you do as a standard when you create any account on any platform, you will get access to that dashboard. Here you are, and here you have full scope. So let's go to the GitHub, and here you can just search what kind of repo you wanna find. Okay, let's try to find it. Yeah, we wanted this one. Okay, you have to click on import. That's okay, and let's go deploy. Just a couple of seconds, it will be everything done. It's amazing. It's amazing how fast it works, how fast you can deploy your website. You don't need to do anything. Congratulations! Vite plus React. Let's go to the website. And here, of course, you can go to the Vite to learn more about that, and you can go to React to learn more about that, because my idea was to just prepare a repo when I create project in React with using Vite, of course, nowadays, and I deploy website on Vercel. If you enjoyed this video, like it, comment and share. Thank you very much. See you soon.